right, so we have the light installed in our bathroom. The install process was really easy, like I showed you in the previous video, the back of the light, so you can see the steps involved with that. So we do have it up. It looks great. I was excited to show you guys. As you can see, our old light was a little bit longer than this one here, so I do have to touch up the wall, so just ignore that piece of it. I love the light. I love the way that it shines. It gives it a really nice look in here. Very classy, very bright. So it works great for getting ready in the morning, applying makeup, you know, whatever it may be. Again, I love the features of these lights where you can rotate them. So if you wanted a different look, you certainly can. Or even have like the middle one here the opposite way if it was a little bit too bright in the mirror, where it kind of gives a cool look to that. So so here is the light. It's great. The product is a nice quality, easy to install. The lighting of the actual light is wonderful.